another episode of Cooking with Woks. Well, first we're going to start with our Bullet Express. This is our juicer. And we put in some apples, and we have another bowl of apples here. And we have a cup ready to go, and another bowl ready to collect all the pills. Olivia's going to push down on this when I tell her to. Okay, so we're going to pulse it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. See the apple juice coming out? Keep pushing. Now let it go.
You can try it first.
Here is our delicious, fresh apple juice. Now this is what apple juice really looks like. So when you buy apple juice, it looks different, but this is like pure apple juice, completely extracted.
Are you sure we're supposed to cut the skins off?
No, because it's full of nutrients. Okay, Miss Olivia is gonna push when I tell her to go. Ready? Okay, so here's our cup of apple juice. Fresh cider. Miss Olivia is gonna push when I tell her to. Ready, Olivia? 5, 4, line it up. Line up. You have to.
See. Oh, I can't.
5, 4. Okay, so you see all the pills are collected in here through the chute. Okay, this is, you can put your finger under the drop.
Not bad.
So we've tried our apple juice, fresh apple juice. It doesn't look like apple juice you'd buy in the store, because this is fresh. So how about we try some fresh green apple juice. So this Bullet Express does a lot. It, as you can see, this juicer, it takes all this, it makes fresh juice. This is just completely extracted juice. So we're gonna try Granny Smith apple juice right after this break. Well, while Olivia is trying to chop these apples, oh my goodness!
Sorry.
You don't jump on wires, okay? So while she's working hard, I'm gonna push down on these apples and let's see the juice. Ready? Okay, so Olivia, videotape me and see how simple this is. Come here, right here.
Okay, good.
See how simple that was? Okay, now Olivia, continue to do it. Okay, just give me, put the slices in. Chef Olivia is gonna push down on the tube. Okay, when ready, begin. Here's Olivia throwing away the pills of our apples.
Easiest.
Disgusting. So let's start with our strawberries, right? Let's get them out of the fridge. And now, Olivia is going to put the strawberries in the hatch. Be careful, we don't want them to spill.
No, I certainly don't.
Okay, ready? So, let's get another bowl. Ready, Chef?
Yeah.
Let's begin.
smells good.
Okay. So let's mix in our bananas, okay? Chef Olivia is peeling the bananas. Well, I get ready. But right now,
Okay.
Olivia's gonna push down the bananas. Begin.
I didn't even know you could juice bananas.
We'll soon find out if you can.
Well, you can't. Look.
Oh no! Hurry, turn it off.
I thought you said you tried this.
We have.
We did it, I did say it was messy.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't think
accident.
you can use bananas. Note to self. Note to self.
Okay, while Chef Lynn cleans this up, we're gonna juice some oranges. Hi, I'm Tommy Flynn, and we're back, and I just extracted some orange juice. Now, because of our banana, a little banana juice got in here, but they'll blend well together. So we got our fresh orange juice, fresh strawberry juice, fresh red apple juice, fresh green apple juice, and now we're gonna have our meatloaf. And we can't have meat without potatoes. Potatoes au gratin, a mixed favorite. So let's get started right after this.